Hello everyone, Fire Alarm Fever here, and welcome to my first video. Today I'll be doing a video of System Test 1. So let's get started. Here is my panel. It is the Firewatch by Firelight 411 UDAC. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is my first ever panel. Before this panel I had a system used without a panel. So you can see here it is super simple, just a reset, acknowledge, and silence button. You can see I have the wiring up there. I only have one zone, because it's a lot easier that way. I currently only have poles and notification appliances. I do not have any smokes at the moment. So down right up below the panel we have the BG12L. And right above it, we have the Wheelock. I'm not too sure about the model. I'll put it right on the screen right there. There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and head downstairs. Please excuse the mess. We'll go ahead and head downstairs, get our key ready. Please just ignore my dog. Downstairs we have the BG12, but this version is with the hex key. And right above it, we have the... Alright, I should have put the model on the screen. And then for our last device, we have this device right out here, which is a flasher only. And here's the model. Alright, so let's get started by pulling this one first, and we'll go ahead and go reset it upstairs. Here we go. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and put this hex key back, head upstairs, go look at those devices. Alright, so now... Okay, so let's go ahead and reset the system. And I do not have batteries, so it is going to go into battery and system fault. Go ahead and acknowledge that. And let's go ahead and pull the BG12L. And there we go. So let's go ahead and reset the system. Let it beep 3 times. Oh, there we go. We have a system trouble. And there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel, Fire Alarm Fever. And I hope you enjoyed System Test 1. I will be expanding the System 2. I will be expanding the system soon, but I just have to get more wire. Bye, guys.